Video Editing Crash Course, Titles and Graphics. Introduction. Titles and graphics play a crucial role in video editing, as they provide important information, set the tone, and enhance the overall visual appeal of a video. Whether you're creating a documentary, a corporate video, or a vlog, effective use of titles and graphics can make your content more engaging and professional. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The opening titles of James Bond films. The James Bond film series is famous for its stylish and iconic opening titles. These sequences incorporate visually stunning graphics, animations, and typography that reflect the film's themes and provide a glimpse into the upcoming adventure. 2. Lower thirds in news broadcasting. Lower thirds are frequently used in news broadcasting to display the names and titles of individuals being interviewed or to provide additional context for the news story. These graphical elements help viewers identify the speakers and enhance the overall presentation. 3. Animated infographics in explainer videos. Explainer videos often utilize animated infographics to visually communicate complex information or data. These graphics make it easier for viewers to understand the content and keep them engaged throughout the video. 4. Dynamic text in music videos. Music videos often feature dynamic text and graphics that synchronize with the beats and lyrics of the song. These visual elements add energy and enhance the storytelling, making the music video more captivating. Top 12 Titles and Graphics Techniques/Methods. 1. Typography selection. Choosing the right fonts and typography styles that align with the tone and theme of the video. 2. Title animation. Creating visually appealing and dynamic animations for title sequences to grab the viewer's attention. 3. Lower thirds design. Designing lower thirds that are clear, legible, and visually appealing, while complementing the overall video aesthetics. 4. Callouts and labels. Adding graphical callouts and labels to highlight specific elements or provide additional information within the video. 5. Text effects. Applying effects such as drop shadows, outlines, and gradients to make text elements stand out and add depth. 6. Motion graphics. Incorporating motion graphics, such as animated icons or shapes, to bring visual interest and enhance the storytelling. 7. Logo animation. Creating animated versions of logos or branding elements to reinforce brand identity and add a professional touch. 8. Infographic design. Designing visually appealing and informative infographics that display data, statistics, or key points in an engaging manner. 9. Green screen keying. Using green screen technology to replace a solid color background with custom graphics or footage. 10. Transition graphics. Adding graphical elements or animations to transition between scenes or segments, creating smooth visual transitions. 11. Visual effects integration. Incorporating visual effects, such as particle systems or lens flares, to add cinematic flair to titles and graphics. 12. Color and styling. Applying color grading and styling techniques to titles and graphics to ensure consistency and visual harmony with the overall video. Summarization. In video editing, titles and graphics play a vital role in enhancing the visual appeal and storytelling of a video. Whether it's creating captivating opening titles, informative lower thirds, animated infographics, or dynamic text effects, the use of effective titles and graphics can elevate the quality and engagement of your video content. By employing various techniques such as typography selection, title animation, motion graphics, and color styling, you can create visually stunning and professional-looking titles and graphics that leave a lasting impression on your audience. Poem. In the realm of video editing, where stories come alive, Titles and graphics take center stage, captivating every eye. With typography and animation, they make an artful display, enhancing the visual journey, guiding us along the way. Lower thirds in news, they provide important names. Infographics in explainers, simplify complex claims. Music videos dance with dynamic text and style, syncing with the beats, making hearts smile. The Bond films boast their opening titles with pride. A glimpse into the adventure, a thrilling ride. Callouts, labels, and transitions make their mark, adding a touch of creativity, leaving a lasting spark. Typography selection, a choice that sets the tone. Motion graphics bring life, making visuals shown. Logo animation, a brand's identity on display. Infographics and green screens, taking us away. With color and styling, a harmonious blend. Titles and graphics, an editor's creative trend. They speak volumes in the visual realm, adding flair and substance, at the filmmaker's helm. Song. Verse 1. In the world of video, where stories are told, titles and graphics, their beauty unfold. Typography dances, animating the words, drawing the audience in like melodious birds. Chorus. Titles and graphics, colors that pop, guiding the viewer, they never stop. Infographics and transitions, an artful creation, enhancing the story, sparking imagination. Verse 2. Lower thirds in news, displaying the names, adding professionalism, and recognition it claims. Motion graphics shimmer, like stars in the night, bringing the visuals to life, a breathtaking sight. Bridge. Callouts and labels, pointing the way. In a world of information, they have their say. Logo animations, brands standing tall, representing excellence, captivating all. Chorus. Titles and graphics, colors that pop, guiding the viewer, they never stop. Infographics and transitions, an artful creation, enhancing the story, sparking imagination. Outro. Titles and graphics, a symphony of design. In the realm of video, they truly shine. As the story unfolds, they leave their mark, captivating hearts, even after it's dark. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.